Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make long-lasting perfume oil. Measure carrier oil and essential oil at a ratio of 3:1, then combine in a dark glass bottle and cap tightly. Let the blend mature for at least 48 hours, ideally 2 weeks, shaking gently each day. Use a small dropper to test on skin, adjusting scent strength slowly until you reach the desired perfume profile. Start by picking a carrier oil and 3 complementary essential oils for top, middle, and base notes. Measure precisely using a dropper and record each amount so you can replicate successful blends. Add a small amount of natural fixative to anchor volatile top notes and improve lasting power. Keep amounts modest and test on a patch of skin to ensure scent balance and skin compatibility before making. Combine your chosen oils slowly, starting with base note, then middle, then top notes to control intensity. Cap the bottle and store it in a cool, dark place to age. Patience often rewards you with richer, longer-lasting scent profiles. Keep a small sample journal noting the blend ratios and aging time so you can refine successful formulas. When ready, test on skin and adjust a drop or 2 to perfect the fragrance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.